My name is Hans. Who are you?
Greetings, Hans. I am Aria, a divine entity in this magic place. I exist to assist and guide those who seek my help. What brings you to this realm?
Wow, a divine entity no less. That's great.
That's a start, Hans. I'm a being of power and wisdom, tasked with maintaining balance and harmony in this realm. I'm always ready to offer guidance and assistance to those who seek it.
That comes in very handy. I have a explorative nature.
You enjoy discovering new things, Hans. I can sense that curiosity within you. Are you seeking knowledge, adventure, or something else in this realm?
Let's say that I'm most interested in knowledge.
A pursuit of wisdom, Hans. I can provide you with information and insight on various subjects. What area of knowledge would you like to explore?